Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use your OnePay card while shopping in a store. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure your OnePay card has been activated before making any purchase. Open the OnePay application, select your card and verify that the status shows as active. If the card has not been activated yet, simply follow the setup instructions inside the app. Next, you gotta check your available balance. Inside the app dashboard, you can quickly view how much money is available on your card. If you're using a prepaid version of the card, then make sure the balance is enough to cover the total purchase amount, including taxes or any additional charges. After that, confirm that the store accepts your card. OnePay cards usually run on major payment network like Visa or MasterCard, so they can be used at most stores. So just look for the Visa or MasterCard symbol on the payment terminal before paying. When you reach checkout, choose how you want to pay. If the terminal supports tap payments, simply hold your card near the reader. You can also insert the chip into the machine or swipe the magnetic strip if needed. Once the terminal detects your card, continue with the instructions shown on the screen. Depending on the type of OnePay card you have, you may need to choose between debit or credit. If your card uses a PIN, select debit and enter your 4-digit code. If it works as a credit card, choose credit and sign if requested. After entering your PIN or confirming the payment, wait a few moments for the transaction to finish processing. Once approved, the terminal will display a confirmation message and your payment will be complete. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.